Hello friends, today's our topic is effect of impurities on the melting point, right? So whenever we add impurities on any substance, on some substance only, not every substance, there may be melting point decreases. Is for example, for ice, if we are talking about ice, if we add some salt with the ice, then 0 degree Celsius melting point converts from 0 degree Celsius to minus 22 degree Celsius, right? So by adding impurity here, what is impurity? It is salt. So by adding salt with the ice, melting point decreases to minus 22 degree Celsius, means for some low temperature we can freeze that particular substance, for example ice. So what is the usage of these impurities? We use salt to keep kulfis cold and on freezing, right?